Let's connect with the management of BluSmart today. This management is joining us on the show. Let me welcome Mr. Puneet Goyal, who is the co-founder of BluSmart. Hi, Puneet. A very good morning, and thank you so much for your time. First of all, Puneet, what the company has done back in January, that they have raised $24 million. And on the contours of the new fundraise, how are you looking at to deploy this particular fund, and how are you looking to utilize this fund? Tell us more on that.
It's very exciting time for BluSmart. We've raised $24 million or 200 crores in this pre-series B round. It was a very, very good round, and we saw great participation from very good investors. We had Responsibility Climate Fund. They invested and they led the round. They priced the round, and we also had participation from Suman Sinha. He's a global icon in the renewable energy space and a big mentor to Anmol and me and everybody in India and globally. People are really aware of the things he has done in terms of decarbonizing energy at scale. And now he's backing us at BluSmart. So it's a great achievement for us to have his backing and his vote of confidence. We saw also participation from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. We also saw participation from Vijay Shekhar Sharma. All our existing investors and also the founders. My co-founder and Mole, myself, and our leadership team, they all invested in this round. We've got a lot of nice family offices, HNIs. We saw an amazing turnout. The entire round was oversubscribed. And yeah, it's a great exciting time for the company. Given that we could raise in a very short span of time, we raised the $24 million, which will probably now put us forward and make us move forward. We will do another round. We'll announce that round shortly this year. But this obviously gives us a lot of firepower and muscle to move forward. And we are very excited that we have raised this round.
Well, certainly, Puneet, we look forward to more fundraise announcement. But with the last fundraise, Puneet, tell us what was the change that you witnessed in terms of the valuation? If you can help us with any number there, and how will this particular fund will be deployed? Any more sense on that will help.
This round was all equity. And the proceeds of this round will be to further scale our fleet across major markets. Right now, BluSmart operates in Delhi NCR and in Bangalore. And we recently started our operations in Dubai. So currently, we have a fleet size of 7,500 BluSmart EVs, which are on the roads of Delhi NCR, Bangalore, and Dubai. Today, BluSmart operates the largest EV charging infrastructure network across length and breadth of India, with largely operations in Bangalore and Delhi NCR. We have 5,000 charging stations across nearly 2 million square feet of real estate across Delhi NCR and Bangalore, across 50 EV charging hub built by BluSmart. The use of funds will help us, this will allow us to scale to nearly 10,000 cars across Delhi NCR and Bangalore, and will also further scale our Dubai fleet. In Dubai, we right now are going to scale to nearly 150 cars by end of this year in Dubai.
Good morning, Puneet. This is Sherlock joining in the conversation. With the kind of infrastructure that you are actually building, that your company is building, if you could help us understand what kind of push do you think that this is going to give to EV adoption? That's the space that you primarily operate in. So what sort of a push is the fact that what infra you all are building in will give to the entire EV space?
Yeah, so I think BluSmart has been a front runner, Sumita, over the last 4 years. We have led from the front for in terms of decarbonization and electrification of mobility in India. The biggest challenge we have seen from day one for any company in India has been the lack of EV infrastructure. And we believe that that's the single largest bottleneck for EV adoption in India. So BluSmart is India's first and largest born electric, vertically integrated EV asset operator and EV infrastructure operator. We today operate the largest EV ride-hailing fleet in India, but that was only possible because of our investment thesis on the EV infrastructure front. So we have built world-class EV infrastructure today. Thousands of cars, these 7,500 BluSmart cars are parked
Right,
and charged at BluSmart charging super hubs, where
right.
5,000 cars can be charged in parallel. We have created parking infrastructure for nearly 10,000 cars already, so we can scale to that number. and the EV infrastructure is ready for charging 5,000 cars at the same time at one go. And our clear focus is to invest millions of dollars in building world-class EV infrastructure. And that has got us so far. Going forward, also, using this round's money, we'll be building out several EV charging super hubs across Delhi, NCR, and Bangalore. That will further allow us to scale to 10,000 cars by this year end, calendar year end, and scale to nearly 13,000 cars by March of 2025.
Puneet, some of the new announcements that we are looking forward to, and we did witness that the company is also is on the plans of testing the ride-hailing service in Dubai. So Abu Dhabi, maybe that's the next destination for BluSmart. Tell us more on that, and what is the revenue expectation from these markets as well?
Dubai was a very calculated move. We believe that the market is right and the timing is right. We got the license and approval from the Dubai government and from the RTA. So BluSmart has started a electric limousine service in Dubai. We started small right now, and the idea is to tap the Indian diaspora. A lot of people from Dubai travel to Delhi and Bangalore, and a lot of people from Bangalore and Dubai travel to Dubai. And we believe that we could probably serve them to begin with. So we have started small, and we want to keep it small for this calendar year. Given our core strength and our home turf is India, so the large focus will be there. But we have gone a very different. We have a very differentiated strategy in Dubai. We've got ultra premium. So we have these Audi e-tron cars, which are extremely high-end electric cars, which will be on the roads of Dubai and will only scale and multiply with each passing month and each passing quarter. Where our the Indian diaspora and the BluSmart customers in India can enjoy the benefits of using BluSmart in Dubai. But we'll watch the market over the next 6 to 9 months. What is really working well for us is that we're enjoying the fact that the average order value or AOV per trip is really high. People spend a lot of money in Dubai. There's a need for new mobility, electric mobility. The government of Dubai is very pressing for electrification of fleets. So we want to really take that market, by the horn and become the largest all-electric ride-hailing service in the Middle East. And we thought that Dubai could be the right place to start.
Right, Puneet, pretty exciting times. The fact that about the overseas market that you all are looking at and exploring that particular area. But if you could talk to us about the partnerships, you have partnered with a couple of companies. Any sort of partnership expansion plans that one can watch out for BluSmart?
We have been very clear with our thesis that we want to operate in the right key markets and prominent markets. Today, Delhi NCR has a population of close to about 70 plus million, and including Bangalore, we have a market opportunity for nearly 110 million people that travels through the two airports of Delhi and the Bangalore International Airport. It's a huge, huge market opportunity, and we want to go deep and wide across these two key markets. The third city will be very important to us again for the perspective of network effects. A lot of people travel to that third city, and that third city people also travel to Delhi and to Bangalore. So it's very important for us also to start in that city. That will complete our network effects across those three cities. In terms of key partnerships, we have very good partnerships with all our OEM, suppliers, our vendors, our infrastructure partners. So we have key partnerships with Tata Motors, with MG, with BYD, with Citroen. They have been supplying electric cars to us in world-class electric cars. We've also partnered with Tata Power. We BluSmart became the world's first company to now use renewable energy to charge its charging infrastructure, power its charging infrastructure, and ultimately powering our EV fleet. So we are absolutely decarbonizing mobility at scale. We partnered with Tata Power, and where we signed an agreement to offtake 72 million units of clean and green energy, which is nearly 30 megawatt power load contract with Tata Power. So BluSmart uses clean and green, has access to and uses clean and green energy, which power the EV infrastructure and which in turn runs our EV ride-hailing business. So that's an amazing partnership and is only going to grow. We're open to more such partnerships with other solar or renewable energy behemoths in India. We also have partnership with GeoBP, which is our EV charging infrastructure partner.
All right, Puneet. And lastly, there's a lot of buzz on the street that the company is preparing for the IPO. When are you looking at the IPO market. If you can help us with your take on that.
Over the next few quarters, could be 2 years plus and minus here and there, but definitely we are very excited. I think the time has come for good companies, new age companies to go to capital market, to public markets, raise large rounds, institutionalize, you give options to a lot of investors to buy shares and participate in the growth story. And BluSmart is a consumer story. BluSmart is an absolute consumer delight story. So a lot of people have reached out saying that please come out with the IPO and we want to buy shares of BluSmart. So as I said again, the right scale and the right time is critical. Timing is everything in life, and we believe at the right time and right scale, we should definitely get BluSmart listed, and we are very pumped up about that. But again, at the right time and the right scale.
All right, then all the best for that, Puneet. And we'll definitely look forward to talking very soon with you. And thank you so much for sharing the roadmap coming in for BluSmart. That was the management of BluSmart. That's Puneet Goyal, who is the co-founder of the company, talking about the plans that's been laid forward for the company.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.